If you ride a motorcycle, you've probably had at least one moment where you wished you had a camera rolling. Whether it was a wild scenic stretch, a close call with another driver, or just something you know would make a great story later. But not all dash cams are made for bikes. Some shake like crazy, others stop recording too soon, and a few just aren't tough enough for real road life. That's why I put this list together. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 best motorcycle dash cams that are actually worth buying. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these motorcycle dash cams aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the V-Sisto dash cam. This is the most budget-friendly dash cam on our list. This motorcycle camera runs a dual 1080p setup. Both cameras use a 130-degree wide-angle lens, which means you can capture more of the road. And with Starlight night vision, footage stays fairly clear, even when you're riding early mornings, late nights, or in bad weather. And design-wise, the whole system is simple. There's no screen to distract you. Instead, it connects to your phone through Wi-Fi using an app, so you can watch clips, download videos, or share them without pulling out the SD card. I also like the safety features it has. Loop recording keeps things running by overwriting old clips when storage fills up. It also has a G sensor that automatically locks footage if it detects a crash, so important moments don't get erased. And a wired controller that lets you manually save emergency clips with one press. And of course, the cameras are waterproof, so rain isn't a problem. And here's what one customer said. Highly recommend this DVR with two 2K/1080p cameras, front/rear. They were easy to install on my 2013 Suzuki Boulevard C90T without making any holes or bike modifications. I hooked the yellow wire to an ignition fuse circuit so they come on and go off automatically with the key being turned on or off. So if you're looking for a motorcycle dash cam that protects you on the road and stays easy on your wallet, the V-Sisto dash cam is a solid pick. Number 6 is the INOV VK6. This is the best mid-range motorcycle dash cam on our list. This one is like the sweet spot if you want better quality without jumping into high-end prices. The camera setup stands out right away. The front camera records in sharp 2K Quad HD at 30 frames per second using a StarVis sensor, while the rear camera records in full HD 1080p. So you're gonna have clear coverage from both directions every time you ride. What I really like about the K6 is how compact it is. All the DVR stuff is built right into the front camera. There's no extra box to hide under your seat, which makes installation cleaner and less annoying. And the body is made from full aluminum alloy, so it handles heat well and feels solid, even in extreme weather. And speaking of weather, this is tough too. It's rated IP67 waterproof and dustproof. You can ride without worrying about the camera giving up on you. It also has Wi-Fi and works with the INOVV app on both iOS and Android. From your phone, you can see live footage, change settings, and download clips. So if you want a motorcycle dash cam that balances size, video quality, durability, and smart features without going overboard, the INOV K6 is a strong mid-range choice. Number 5 is the Vantrue F1. This is the best 4K front and rear motorcycle dash cam on our list. It records the front in full 4K and the rear in 1080p at the same time, so you're covered from both angles every time you're on the road. It gives you a 160-degree wide view on both cameras and helps catch more of what's around you instead of what's ahead only. It's IP67 waterproof and includes the cameras and cables. It also has Sony StarVis sensors, which really help at night. Headlights, streetlights, and dark roads stay clearer than you'd expect from a dash cam this size. You're also going to have GPS, which stamps your speed and route onto the footage. And through the Vantrue app, you can see your ride stats like distance, speed, and trip time. And even export that data if you ever need proof after an accident. The G sensor locks footage automatically during sudden impacts, and loop recording keeps things running without you thinking about storage. Plus, it supports up to a huge 512 gigabyte card. Also, the Wi-Fi lets you preview and download clips straight to your phone, and the wired remote makes it easy to save clips or take photos while riding. So if you want a true front and rear 4K motorcycle dash cam that's built for real riding and real protection, the Vantrue F1 is an easy pick. Number 4 is the Insta360X5 motorcycle bundle. This is the best action camera bundle for motorcycle footage on our list. This one is all about capturing everything, without stressing about angles while you ride. The X5 shoots full 360-degree video in sharp 8K at 30 frames per second. It uses dual large sensors. That means you don't have to point the camera perfectly. Just ride, record, and decide the best angle later. Now, the invisible selfie stick effect is a big deal here. Once it's mounted, the stick disappears from the footage, so it looks like the camera is floating behind or beside your bike. It gives you third-person shots without needing a chase rider. And if you want something quick, Instaframe mode can auto-track you and spit out a ready-to-share flat video right away. And as for the stabilization, it's strong too. Flow state stabilization and full horizon lock keep footage smooth and level, even over bumps or hard turns. Plus, low light performance is solid too, thanks to the AAA I-chip setup that cleans up noise when riding at night or in shady roads. Also, it's waterproof up to 49 feet without a case, and the battery can run close to 3 hours. Fast charging gets you back to 80% in about 20 minutes. Audio is handled by 4 mics with a wind guard, which helps cut down wind noise. So if you want one camera that captures every angle, the Insta360X5 motorcycle bundle is hard to beat. And if you want to know the latest prices for the motorcycle dash cams discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Sena 50C. This is the smartest helmet camera and comm system on our list. This single unit packs a lot, and this is why this camera stands out. You're not only going to have a helmet camera, but you'll also have a full communication system. The 4K camera is integrated into the side, so there's no need to mount a GoPro every time you ride. You can just hit record and catch moments you'd normally miss. And for the audio, it comes with speakers and a microphone that are tuned by Harman Kardon. And that shows up in calls, music, and rider-to-rider chats. Voices come through clear, even at speed. And with mesh and Bluetooth intercom, you can talk with other riders without worrying about constant dropouts. It's made for group rides where staying connected actually matters. It also plays nicely with your phone. You can use voice commands in multiple languages, access Siri or Google Assistant, and manage settings through Sena's camera app. That app lets you adjust video settings, preview what the camera sees, and switch between 4K and 1080 pixels if you want stabilization. And here's what Laura shares. I've tried both Sena and Cardos and have to say I prefer the Sena system. The quality is clear, and it's easy to navigate the different controls with gloves on. I don't have it disconnect randomly. The camera is also a decent backup to my 360 as a dash cam, and the app is super simple to download the footage. So if you want a helmet setup that handles communication, audio, and quick video capture all in one place, the Sena 50C is a great choice. Number 2 is the Thinkware F70 PRO. This is the best value front-only dash cam on our list. This camera records in full HD 1080 pixels, so plates and road details stay clear without jumping into expensive 4K territory. The camera itself is small and discreet, which is great if you don't want something that screams dash cam on your windshield. Now, it's made for everyday protection. While you're driving, it records silently, and when you're parked, smart parking mode kicks in. It can detect motion or impacts and saves short clips before and after something happens. Plus, Super Night Vision helps brighten dark scenes, which matters in parking lots or poorly lit streets. And the heat protection is also solid. It has a super capacitor instead of a battery, so it handles hot and cold weather much better. There's also a 3-axis G sensor that locks important clips so they don't get erased, and an anti-file corruption feature to keep footage safe. You'll also have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that lets you connect to the Thinkware app, where you can change settings and download clips fast. If you want speed and red light alerts, you can add an optional GPS module. So if you want a front-only dash cam that gives you solid protection and smart parking features without spending a lot, the Thinkware F70 PRO is the best choice. Number 1 is the iNOV VK7. This is the best overall dash cam on our list. This one is a complete camera setup. You're going to have a front and rear camera, both recording in 2K, so you can cover what's ahead of you and what's happening behind you at the same time. It has wide 160-degree lenses that help cut down blind spots, which is huge when you're riding in traffic. When image stabilization is turned on, the footage drops to 1080 pixels, but it stays much smoother. It's more important on a bike, where you constantly vibrate. And security is another big thing in this camera. The G-Sensor can autosave footage if there's an impact, and parking mode keeps an eye on your bike even when you're not around. If someone bumps it or messes with it, the camera locks that clip so it doesn't get overwritten. Now, the K7 is also IP67 waterproof, as it's made from aluminum, and rated to work in extreme heat and cold. You're also going to have 10 Hz GPS tracking, so speed and location data are recorded accurately. And everything connects through the app using fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which makes it easy to preview and download clips. So if you want the most complete, reliable, and worry-free motorcycle dashcam setup, the Innov K7 is the best overall choice out there. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect motorcycle dashcam. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each dash camera. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.